59 here today, and we're looking forward to spring. Still a little bit of snow on the ground, but just out picking up a little carry out for dinner and open stretch of road, and we just want to put the whip to the ponies here on this Dodge Hemi. Tundra recently. We did a timing belt on it. It was a high mileage vehicle, but was purchased in Florida, and I have to say it was in pretty good shape and runs pretty good. I don't care for a timing belt on a V8 though. It just seems kind of crazy to me. So, but each vehicle has inherent issues. That's just the way it goes. So don't let yourself be fooled into thinking if you buy a particular brand, you'll never have problems with it. That is just not